Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris. This is CRB. What is the purpose of this YouTube channel? Primarily it's a place that I can upload and showcase any art projects and stuff I've been working on. I want to start learning Blender. I do a lot of 3D printing and my hope is to learn how to sculpt my own models. And it's something I've wanted to learn for a very long time that I've just never got around to doing, so now's as good a time as any. I also do a lot of Photoshop and Illustrator work in my own time. You know, this can be creation of little characters or cartography. I do a lot of, like to do a bit of map making that I do for Dungeons and Dragons for the most part, and I'll be honest, a lot of my projects tend to be around that vein. You're currently watching me put together an intro animation that I'm hoping to start using on some of my videos. This was part built around a Skillshare course by Harry Helps, who does a course on the creation of logos. And for anyone looking to learn Blender, I'm only a week in, but you know, so far he's actually been really helpful in terms of he's very clear and precise, and he walks you through a lot of the basics and stuff. I've also messed around with the Blender Guru's donut series. Definitely fun, a little bit more in depth, a little less hand-holdy, but a good series to do regardless. So in regards to the challenges I've had to deal with so far in terms of getting this YouTube channel set up, it's primarily been learning the various pieces of software. You know, I started work on Blender, doing the tutorial courses, trying to work out how they work, having to make use of OBS Studio to record my screen and the work I'm doing, and getting used to breaking down those into individual video formats. And the biggest challenge at the moment has been learning how to use DaVinci Resolve to format and edit my videos. I definitely have a long way to go, but I'm not expecting perfection in my first video. It's the only way is up, and you know, it could be that I'm the only person that ever watches this video. For that reason, it's beneficial for me to lay down some of the challenges and difficulties I've had learning how to use the software. You know, one of the biggest challenges was coming up with a channel name that by far stalled me by a good part of a month or so in terms of setting up the channel, just because I was arguing around different choices. You know, at the minute it's CRB, Hobbyist Digital Creator, and my hope is that I continue to like that name, but if I start to, I didn't want to pigeonhole myself into choosing a channel name that doesn't allow me to expand into doing other things. And you know, if in the future I take this up a little bit more seriously and I have developed a little bit more of a niche, or I feel like I have a name in mind, then it may change, but for the time being I'm happy with CRB. The other challenge I had to face is just around what content I can show. Currently working on a lot of Blender tutorial courses, and what I don't want to do is upload people's tutorials or me working through people's tutorials. It's not really fair on them for me to be showcasing the work. So the only real videos I'll be uploading is where I have deviated from the original source material enough that I feel like I could argue it's my own work. I'll always try and stay ahead of time if I'm following a tutorial in any way, shape or form, and who created that tutorial and what it is they're trying to teach. And I'll try and put a link of those tutorials in the YouTube description as well. You know, the other big challenge has been around the video editing is sound. Trying to come up with background music that I can overlay with these videos with, so you're not just listening to my voice for the best part of 7 odd minutes. And trying to source and locate those audio files, but you know, that's something to learn. I do want to develop and refine these videos, and hopefully you will notice an improvement with every video I upload. I'll try and improve on something each time, whether that's my Blender skills or something to do with the video production. My hope is to try and upload at least one video a month, but I'll try and it really depends on life in general, but we'll see how we go. But yeah, thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you join me for this journey of learning and developing myself. If you do like this style of content, please like and subscribe, or even leave a comment below. If you stick around to the end, I'll be showcasing the final product of the video you're watching. This will be a introductory logo clip that I'm hoping to use for any future videos. Until next time.